Hey everybody, Caleb Dennison reporting for Digital Trends. I'm at Samsung's booth at IFA 2019. This is where I normally hear about the biggest TV, the best TV, the biggest 8K TV. That's not really the case this year. Samsung didn't come out big with televisions. They kind of already did that last year. What they did, however, was add a 55-inch model to its 8K QLED line, which is interesting. The biggest news in TV from Samsung and IFA is actually its smallest 8K TV. So a 55-inch 8K TV. Some people will think, well, that's great because we've only seen these new TV technologies coming in at gigantic sizes. Well, now they do have a 55-inch, which may seem more approachable for most folks. But I'm here to tell you, I frankly don't think that makes a whole lot of sense. See, here's the thing about 8K resolution is that you really need to get to large screen sizes before that super high pixel density starts paying off for you. So while it is nice that they're making the technology accessible at smaller sizes, I don't know that there's necessarily a payoff. So why are we talking about this at all? Well, I think this is a good opportunity to talk about the fact that if you're in the market for a new TV and you want the latest, greatest picture quality, down around the 50 to 55-inch neighborhood, don't think that 8K is the way you need to go. You're not going to get left in the dust by this being old technology anytime soon. At 50 to 55 inches, 4K is absolutely the way to go. Now, if you got a lot of money and you just want to go for it, hey, buy yourself an 8K TV. But really understand that 65 inches is kind of the starting point for 8K, and it's when you go up from there that the 8K really starts to pay off for you. So that's it from IFA 2019 at the Samsung booth around TV. We're not going to be talking about TV much here this year, which means that we're probably going to be talking all about it at CES later this year, and we'll definitely see you there. Hey guys, thanks for watching. As always, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and drop a comment for me. Would you buy an 8K TV right now? Would a 55-inch 8K make any sense? Let me know and we'll engage you in the comment section. As always, you're going to find the latest tech news and reviews at digitaltrends.com.